Mr. Harris. How are you doing today? My name's Susie. I'm so glad that you came to visit us here at Latan to learn about some hearing devices. Is that right?
Sure, yes, I could definitely use some.
Great, great. Well, I'm going to show you two hearing devices today. These are personal amplifiers. This is what we talked about. And you're not quite ready for hearing aids yet, is that correct?
Right.
Okay, so these personal amplifiers are at a low cost. We have two different variances of them. One is going to be at a lower cost, and then we have a little bit more expensive one, but still fairly reasonable. The first one is the Resign Loud Ear, and the second one, which runs you about $40 to $50, and the second one is the Pocket Talker Ultra, and it runs you about $180, somewhere in there. And so I would like to give you the opportunity through our device demonstration program to try each one out and see if either one of them works for you and let you be able to make a decision about it.
Okay.
All right, well, let's start with the Resign Super Ear. So do earbuds work good for you?
They don't usually fit down in my ear real good, so I usually use the
Headset?
the headphone,
Okay,
yeah.
well, this is good. We can swap our headset out here. So we will, and you can choose any type of headpiece that's going to work best for you. So again, you see we've got earbuds you can have down in the ear type as well. This just sits on the outer part of your ear. And then of course over your head, or you could even use the big soundproof ear systems as well. So you're going to be able to turn this device on the side and put this on your head. And then we can, I can go across the room over here and see if that is helping you with hearing.
So just pull this down.
Yes, sir. Now
Wow.
be careful. You're turning on the volume.
Yeah, that thing is, wow.
Did it come on pretty loud?
Yeah, it's clear though. I mean, it's not hurting me loud. It's not squealing or anything. So.
Okay. So if I turn away from you and I talk to you like this, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can still hear you.
You can still hear me pretty good? So what
Yes.
am I saying?
You just asked me if I could hear you good and what you were saying.
Apples. Did you hear that?
No, I didn't.
Oranges.
Oranges.
Good. Okay. Are you getting any feedback? Anything like that? Echoing?
No, not right now.
Okay.
It's pretty cool, pretty clear. It's like it's got a high tone kind of sound to it.
Okay.
But other than that, it's good and clear. Now this is I could clip on my shirt.
Yes, sir. You can clip that on your shirt, your pocket, your belt loop, anywhere you want. And you make it different. It may not be as well in different environments. So if you go where you're having a lot of noise, you may not get the best response where you're hearing. And it's one of those things you could participate in our device loan program and take it home with you, and then take it to some of the different environments and then make a better decision if it was going to be right for where you're going to be at for work or school or what you got going on. Let's try the Ultra Pocket Talker. And this one's a little different because it also allows you to adjust tone, whereas the Resign Loud Ear does not give you an option to adjust the tone. So if you want to turn that one off, we don't want him to interfere, and yeah, you can leave those on if you want. And we can just unplug it. Now this device as well, I'm going to go ahead and turn it back off, has an external mic, but it does already have a built-in mic, so you can use it without this external mic, but if you need it, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on for right now to give you that option. And then on the side, so we're going to be able to turn it on the front. Get your headset plugged in all the way. And after we turn it on the front, then we'll be able to, you can adjust your tone over here if that's what you need to do. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and turn it on, and gently. let's talk about what the weather is outside and how are you hearing me? Are you getting any amplification?
No, I think I hear. Oh, there it is. That is so clear. This little switch here for telecoil was switched on.
I apologize.
So as soon as I switch that off, it's just as clear as it can be.
Okay, well, now adjust this tone over here and see, is that making any difference for you?
Yeah, I can tell some difference.
Okay, so adjust it to a tone that might be better for you as you're listening to my voice.
Yeah, I like that.
And we can definitely go out and talk to some other people and maybe turn on something that has some noise for you to hear or some sounds for you to hear.
This one is real clear. This one's real clear.
Now, again, like I told you, there is a price difference, and clarity is going to be one of those differences, but again, this is a fairly reasonable price. You know, roughly about $180. You can sometimes find them cheaper. I'm a huge shopper on Amazon because they actually do the shopping for you and find the best price. If you are, you know, familiar with how to use a computer or you have family members that can help you do that. We definitely have some other programs as well that can help you, including our AT lease program. The minimum is $150, so if you found this for about $180, you could actually participate in our device lease program. There is a qualification process. So that's some alternate ways, and if that's not feasible, we can look into some other alternative financing as well for you. There is some other programs and possibly even some grant opportunities out there that we can look up for you.
Okay.
So do you have any other questions for me?
No, I think that's it. Thanks for showing me.
All right, well, thanks for joining us at Latan today. We appreciate it.
All
right, take care.